How to fix Cricut machine cutting too deep. Method 1. Change the blade. Step 1. Open the clamp and remove the blade. Step 2. Push down the plunger and check the blade. Step 3. Pull out the blade carefully with the plunger pushed down. Step 4. Grab a new blade, press down the plunger and insert it. Step 5. Place the blade back into the house, try to cut and see if the issue is resolved. Method 2. Check material settings. Step 1. In the Set Base Material section, click Browse All Materials. Step 2. Scroll down and click Material Settings. Step 3. Navigate to the material you're using and click Edit. Step 4. Add less pressure by dragging the bar and click Save. Step 5. Then select the material. Step 6. Next, set the pressure to default or less. Step 7. Now try to cut the project and see if the cut has improved. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.